In this video, I'll show you how to easily unhide any hidden app on an iPhone running iOS 18. Make sure to wait until the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this example, I've hidden the WhatsApp app, which is why it's not showing up on my home screen. The first thing to try is searching for the hidden app. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the search bar. Then type in the app's name. However, as you can see, WhatsApp isn't appearing in my search results even though it's installed on my device. If this happens, go to the app library, swipe left through all home screen until you reach the app library, then scroll to the bottom. Here you'll find a special hidden section that may contain your app. Tap it and Face ID will be required to access the hidden section. Once inside, you'll see apps like Me Hidden WhatsApp. To unhide it, press and hold on the app, then select Don't require Face ID. It will scan your face and remove the app from the hidden section. Now, when you swipe down to search for WhatsApp, it should appear. You can then drag it back to any spot on your home screen by pressing and holding it and moving it to your desired location. Tap Done to save the change. And that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.